Man, you ladies better watch out. You better watch out. The trans agenda is about to take its full effect very, very soon. Um, so enjoy the power while it lasts, ladies, because these trans women, they're gonna take your roles, man. They've been hinting at this for years. We've been hinting at It's been hinted at all throughout the media for years that these trans women are gonna take over. And I even made a video like 2 or 3 years ago about it. That they're gonna take over and replace real women. Everything you thought you were good at and you thought you were the shit at, they're gonna be better than you at. They're gonna be better at cooking. They're gonna be better at cleaning. They're gonna be better at pleasing a man. They're gonna be better at having sex. Everything that you thought you were good at, you're not gonna be good at. And these guys are gonna be so weak that they're just gonna convert, or they're just gonna be too horny. They're not gonna see the difference between a trans and a real woman. I mean, with all the plastic surgery and the fact that all y'all have done throughout these years, these past 10 plus years, is show your bodies online like you're open for sex. So they're not gonna see it. They're gonna be too horny. It's like, damn, this woman, this trans woman, she can suck my dick really, really good. She can cook for me. She can clean. Oh, and most of all, she likes me for me. It's not always about my money and how much I can do for her and everything. They just see nothing but good for the most part. And that's what a lot of these guys are gonna see. And then that's when Isaiah 4:1 is going to take over. It says, and in that day 7 women shall take hold of one man, saying, we will eat our own bread and wear our own apparel, and only let us be called by thy name, to take away our reproach. So yeah, these women are going to have to cling to one man, because it's like they devalued themselves so much that they're the lowest citizen. And the worst part about it is no one's going to fucking care. All this time they thought they can use their sexuality and be where they're at, but no one's gonna care, because they're gonna think that you're strong and that you could take care of it. Because all these years you've been playing that role, you've been saying that I'm strong and independent, I don't need no man, and not even the simps are gonna give a fuck. They're too busy getting their dick sucked. They're too busy finally enjoying something, maybe a little different from the truth, but it's like they're enjoying the trans women, or being gay, or whatever they end up doing. Like, they're not gonna care. No one's gonna care anymore. Hell, even I'm not gonna care, because I've had to go through so much in my 20s, and there was no one there for me. And it's like, okay, you ladies can do it all by yourself. All right, do it. We all see the world going to shit, and it's becoming more about survival and thriving than it is about morality. That's what we're seeing, and that's what we've seen down through the years. So no one's gonna care anymore. So what I have to say to you ladies is, prepare for that day. Prepare for the day when you will be at the bottom and no one will truly give a fuck. No one's gonna care. Your children, in a lot of ways, are not even gonna care, because everything's gonna be so goddamn moralist. So I say, ladies, prepare for that day. I don't know exactly how you should prepare, but think about these things, man. Think about the trans community. Think about what's about to come. Have a little fucking foresight. You ladies are just thinking about day to day, month to month, week to week, month to month at best, and fucking getting pictures and likes on Instagram. But you gotta just think a little bit more forward, man, for once in your fucking life. I'm saying this as a friend, or just someone to just, hey, heads up. But yeah, that's it for the video. Watch out, because the trans agenda is going to take over, and you ladies are going to be at the bottom, not the men, when it's all said and done. So I'm out. Peace.